Hello goddesses, and welcome to another video. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we continue on this journey. I do love dressing up for Halloween, but sometimes the Halloween costumes can get pretty expensive. I was looking at one this morning that was almost $100, and I'm like, I'm not gonna pay $100 for something that I maybe would wear once, maybe get a good photo in. It's just not practical for me. So I am gonna take you guys thrifting with me to Goodwill, and I have shopped at Goodwill in the past for some of my goddess-inspired photo shoots, and I will go ahead and link some of those pictures around here. But you can find some hidden gems there. I don't like to wander too far off normally in Goodwill. I kind of stick with what I know because it's easier for me. I don't want to spend like 4 hours inside of a store. It's just not practical for me again. So yeah, side note, I was inspired by Disney this time around. So all the outfits are kind of like Disney princess inspired. Bippy, boppy, boo, let's go.
Okay, so the trick is, well, there's not really a trick to thrifting. I tend to always go to wherever the dresses are because that's, I think, where you find the best deals. Long dresses, so many people like buy these really expensive prom dresses, bridesmaids dresses, special occasion dresses, and then they wear them one time and then they never wear them again, and then when they clean out their closet, they end up at Goodwill. So I love finding dresses here. I do that with like my goddess inspired photo shoots, which I showed you guys pictures of that earlier. But during Halloween season, they actually have like a whole section dedicated to clearly just costumes. Majority of it is like children's costumes, so like toddlers, babies, and like some teens, but I feel like you could squeeze into some of these things, like that tutu I'm holding. I was trying to find a top that I could maybe make it work for like a Tinkerbell inspired look, and then there's like little scandalous outfits like that, the little ladybug, which I'm actually obsessed with. Now back to the dresses. This is not Disney Princess, but I feel like it's totally Legally Blonde Elle Woods inspired. This one I feel like you could make it work for like a Snow White type of vibe and feel, and I really like that. Now this one was really interesting. It kind of reminded me of like a Disney villain. Like you could pretty much be any Disney villain with this like beautiful nice gown, plus it's just super cute. I think that this one is so Sex and the City, Carrie Bradshaw, and I almost got it, but it was like way too small, clearly. And then you have pieces like this that you can make into like a modern day Belle outfit, so you don't have to wear the big old gown. You can make it something that's really practical and chic. Not practical and chic is this like Cinderella inspired outfit. Oh my gosh, it was to die for. It was clearly way too small for me, but I was in love and obsessed with this, and I couldn't find the price on it, but I'm pretty sure it was at least $20. Things that are like a little bit nicer like that tend to be in the $20 to $30 range, but on typical, everything that I found was $10 and less. I thought that reminded me of like Esperanza from Hunchback of Notre Dame, which was really fun and interesting. Clearly a little kid's outfit, but I'm sure I could squeeze into it. This one I thought would be fun for like Meg from Hercules. I feel like that would be her vibe. And then another Cinderella inspired gown. That one was a little too big for me, but I had fun regardless. I think that being in places that really just help spark out some creativity, right? You have to get creative with some of these outfits. Not all of them are pre-built like this one, Alice in Wonderland. Some of them you have to just have the vision for what it is that you want in order to really make it your own. Again, another villain-inspired outfit, which I love Disney villains as well. I feel like they're fun. I'm more of the princess vibe, but I think it's fun to play the other half sometimes. And this one, I don't know if it's really Disney Princess or Thumbelina or Tinkerbell's long lost sister, but by this time I was already kind of getting a little overwhelmed. Goodwill offers so many things, so you really have to like take your time and go through all of the racks. So that's why I keep it easy with just the 2 sections. Otherwise I would be there forever. And look at this dress. Sadly, clearly it's made for like a toddler. It does not fit me. I don't know. I probably would have fit in that when I was like 5. And then this one too, like I said, it doesn't have to be exact like your costume, like the Disney princess, but it could be similar. So I felt like that dress would have been a good like Princess Jasmine dress. Now off to the next store for accessories. Now that has nothing to do with anything, that hat, but it was just so cute. But I figured we'd find some like little accessories to go with the two little outfits that we got. Goodwill's not good for accessories, but the Halloween stores or even Walmart is really good for just getting leggings, little maybe tiaras, or any other little accessories that you might need just to spruce up your outfit and take it to the next level. But again, it's still going to be so much cheaper than buying the whole ensemble online, trust me.
So we're back from the store and I found a bunch of cool little things, and I think I found my princess inspired outfit. I have like the day outfit before she becomes a princess, so like the common girl outfit, which is actually more spicy than the actual outfit. This is what I got. How cute. I feel like this is like every Disney princess, she kind of has like this like ordeal where it's like a corset and then like the fluffy sleeves, and it's usually a lot longer, but I mean it is Halloween, so I felt like that was fine. And then this is the dress that I got. I feel like this is a very Princess Aurora inspired dress. It has a lot of beading. I don't know if you guys can see, but I felt like it was just really cute and really extra. I did go to the store to Spirit, and then I went to Walmart just to look for like accessories, because Goodwill is great, but they don't have accessories really. So I have like another crown in there for a different project that I'm doing, but I'll put that aside. So I found this like a little like tiara thing, which is great because it has a little clip, little jaws, so it can just stay in place. You can do it with an updo or down. And I just felt like it was really cute, and this was only like $1. This pink dress was 10, and then this little like common girl outfit or peasant outfit or whatever you want to call it was only $7. So that was a really good deal, I think. I also got these little like nylon leggings from Spirit with the little bow ties. These were $8.99, but I felt like it would pair really, really well with this outfit. I will do a try on for you guys in just a moment here. And then I got gloves for my Princess Aurora inspired outfit, and these were $8. So 2, 8, 10. So this whole ensemble, this whole Halloween costume, $20. And this whole Halloween costume is what, 9, 7, 16, $17? 16. Got both outfits ensembles for under $40, which I think is amazing. I do have other goodies. Like I said, these are for other projects that I have going on in the near future, so look out for that. If you're looking for a really last minute costume idea, you don't even have to go to the store. You don't have to go to Goodwill. You don't have to go to Walmart. You don't have to go on Amazon. You can literally look in your closet and come up with ideas just based off that. One of the things I like to do, now I know Disneyland is closed currently, but there's a thing called Disney Bound, which is you take an idea of a character that you're interested in, you come up with a concept, so like whether it's the same color scheme or patterns or similar accessories, and you incorporate that in your outfit while you're at the park, so that you look like the character without having to wear a costume, because as an adult you're actually not allowed to wear a costume inside of the park. I think the only exception is Halloween, but it's so that the people who are visiting the park don't get confused and think that you might be an actual character. So Disney bound it up in your closet and find things that are same patterns, color schemes, textures, accessorize it. You don't have to break the bank in order to look fabulous and have fun this Halloween season. Don't be afraid to bring out your inner creativity. Let me go ahead and try on the ensembles. So this is outfit number 1. It is way too short. I cannot turn around in it, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the mirror. Should I show you guys what it looks like in the mirror? The little legging things are so cute. They're to die for. I love them. I love them. Okay, let's go ahead and, okay, let me just turn my camera around. How about that? Turning my camera around so you guys could see. But this is the outfit. Just like the little white leggings. Again, it is way too short in the back, so I cannot show you what it looks like, but this is it. Yeah, it's really cute. $7. $7 at Goodwill. I feel like it's definitely a steal. And this is very Princess Aurora before she meets Prince Eric vibes. So I'm loving it. I'm living for it. Besides the fact that I can't turn around without exposing my whole behind, I say this is a win. Bum, ba-da-da! Now, I don't know if this 100% looks like Princess Aurora Sleeping Beauty in her little pink outfit because she did not have gloves, or if this looks more like Princess Peach from Mario Kart. I really don't know, but whatever it is, I'm living for it and I love it. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. It also could be like a Barbie inspired outfit. This could be Barbie. I can be Barbie for like the 10th time in a row. Beauty queen, pageant, I don't know, whatever it is, I really love it. It's really fun, especially if you're gonna go somewhere with a lot of children. You don't wanna look a little too spicy. This is a lot more covered up and it's glamorous, which I'm all about glamour and sparkle and glitter and pink. So this is like my perfect outfit. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. Clearly we established I'm not a good singer, so I'm sorry if your ears are bleeding right now.